Hello everyone. I hope you are all well at your place. In this video lecture we are going to find the expression for work done during isothermal process. First of all, what is isothermal process? A process in which pressure volume changes, temperature remain constant. That process is known as the isothermal process. For this, consider 1 mole of an ideal gas contained in a perfectly conducting cylinder fitted with a frictionless piston of area of cross section A. Let the volume of gas B exert pressure on the wall of this cylinder and piston. Due to that, the pistons move in upward directions. Let the distance moved by the piston is dx. Then force acting on the piston is given y. We know that pressure is equal to force upon area. Rearrange this equation, we get force is equal to pressure into area. So force acting on the piston, F is equal to PA. This is equation number 1. When the gas expands, piston move in upward directions. It moves through a small distance dx. Here force is on the piston and there is a displacement dx. So we know that force into displacement, that is work done. So work done to move the piston through distance dx is given y. dw equal to f dx. This is question number 2. Now in the next step, we put the value of f from equation 1 in 2. We get use equation 1 in equation 2. We get dw equal to pa dx, and we know that area multiply distance, this is equal to volume, and this is dv. So here this equation becomes dw equal to pdv. This is equation number 3. Let us suppose that initial volume of the gas is V1, and when the gas expands, then there is a change in the volume of the gas. So let us suppose its volume, final volume is V2. If initial volume is V1 and final volume V2, then total work done can be calculated by integrating equation 3 between limits V1 to V2. So equation 3 becomes W equal to integration of dW. This is equal to integration of V1 to V2 P dV, and this is question number 4. We know that for standard gas equation, PV equal to RT. Now we rearrange this equation. P is equal to RT over V. Now use the value of P in equation 4. We get, so equation 4 becomes W equal to integral of V1 to V2 RT V dV, and this is equal to, here RT is constant taken outside from the integration, so this becomes RT integral of V1 to V2 1 over V dV. Now the integration of 1 over V dV is log of base E V. So this is equal to RT log of base E V V1 to V2. In the next step we put the limit. So this is equal to RT upper limit log of base E V2 minus lower limit log of base E V2. We know that log of base E A minus log of base E B, this is equal to log of base E A over B. So this becomes RT log of base E V2 over V1. Also we know that log of base E, this is equal to 2.303 log of base 10. So this is equal to 2.303 RT log of base 10 V2 over V1. Since in an isothermal process P1 V1 equal to P2 V2 or V2 over V1 equal to P1 over P2. So we put P1 over P2 in this equation. We get work done equal to 2.303 RT log of base 10 P1 over P2. This is the expression for work done in case of a isothermal process. Thank you.